Here is how to duplicate things quickly in Figma. First, let me create a circle quickly and put it right here. So first you hit Control D to duplicate it the first time, and then we drag it down or whichever side you want. And then we can afterwards simply just Control D and it will be the same distance as the previous one. And you just select Control D as many times as you want. So Control D, Control D, Control D. And then if you by mistake duplicate something more than you want, you can just undo it by doing Control Z. You can also do Control D and just move it around wherever you want. And then of course if you hit Control D again, it will be the same distance as the previous one. And that's it. You can just play around with the Control D and just move objects wherever you want. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.